Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me just one little bit of like, one little bit, okay? And subscribe for other amazing content. Alright my peeps, now we're gonna make some hot cross bun. Okay? Okay? Let's get into this video. Here I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay? And I'm gonna put some spice into it, full it of flavor. And this is my instant yeast. And for 3 cups, 2 teaspoons will do. This one is optional, okay? You have to make your recipe in your own way, own style. Alright guys? So I'm gonna put half teaspoon of ginger. Here I have some mixed spice. I mix my own spice, okay guys? Cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, and all of that. I want 2 teaspoons from it. 2 teaspoons. We're gonna go in with a teaspoon of salt. Alright, I'm gonna put it away from the yeast, okay? I have 1/3 cup of sugar, and I have 1 egg. Put it over here. I'm gonna take the whites out. I don't like to break it directly on it. Give it a little mix. You don't have to beat it, and pour it one side. I have my cup of warm milk, okay? I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons vanilla, and this is my mixed essence. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon. If you don't have mixed essence, a little bit of almond extract would be nice too. Now I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of olive oil. What you call them raisins here guys? Some sultana raisins. You can use any raisin of your choice. I'm gonna put 1/3 cup, something like that. Some people wait until after to mix the raisin in, but no. 6 of 1/2 does not the other, okay guys? And now you're gonna pour your warm. I have 1 cup, okay? And I'm gonna pour it in. 2% milk with my vanilla and my mixed essence. Just imagine all this flavor in this guys. Just imagine that. My recipe, my way, my style. Alright, go ahead and mix this all together. Oops, don't waste it. I'm taking up everything. I don't know where it's going. Sometimes I use flour. You can use flour, but I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil. Leave my bowl for later. Alright. And you want to give this a good knead. Alright. Knead it for about 7 to 10 minutes. Just knead it. Alright. My scraper, if it starts to stick. Alright my peeps, we're gonna leave it at this. Alright, grab a little oil. Alright, you're gonna rub it up, and you're gonna let this sit for about an hour, or you can even go up to 90 minutes. Okay, cover it with some cling wrap and a kitchen towel. Alright, I'm back. And my peeps, actually I went and pulled my braids out and I left it for about an hour and a half. So look, the guys, it's big and fat, you see. But anyhow, more longer you leave it, and more airy and light the dough is. Okay, so look at the goodness. I went ahead and I put a little bit of oil in my pan. Now you want to dust the surface with a little bit of flour, not too much, just a little bit. Look at that guys, punch out the extra air bubble. Oh, warm and nice. You can make them big or you can make them small. All right, I'm just gonna cut it in two first. I'm gonna try to make about, say, 8. Just go ahead and cut off piece. All right, if they're too big, you think you can cut off some. I cut off piece and I got another one, so I got 2, 4, 6, 8 and 1, 9. Okay, so now what you want to do, we're gonna put them to rise again the second time. Okay, so this is it, and you want to fold it. Okay, just fold it under a few times, then you spin it over and tuck it in, and then you close it. Just pinch the bottom, round it up, and you're gonna set it right here. Do one more, fold it under, spin it over and tuck it in and close it. And I have about 2 tablespoons of flour. You can use water, but I'm gonna use milk, and I'm just gonna make a paste, like a thick paste. Okay, what you want to do, just continue to mix it until there's no lumps. All right, we're gonna put this aside. I'm gonna let them sit for 20 minutes to half an hour, and I'm gonna cover it like that. And at this time, go ahead and preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So you get your bag, roll it over a little bit. All right, and you're just gonna pour this in. And that's it. I'm gonna put a little oil over them. All right, so they don't dry out. Now we're just gonna cover it. All right, my peeps, I'm back, and look at the goodness. Okay, now you just want to use your scissors and cut like a little bit, and then you just want to make a T sign or a cross sign. Okay, all right, and you want to do the rest of them like that. Because I add the oil already, it's okay. I don't have to put any milk on top. So I'm gonna pop these in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. All right, my peeps, they're all done, really soft, and I'm gonna put some olive oil. When you put the oil on top, guys, you can put melted butter if you want. You can leave these just like that, okay? But if you want it to have a sweet finish, now I'm gonna, you can put maple syrup, but I'm gonna just put like a teaspoon of honey. Something like that, guys. You don't have to use all of it. And this gonna have it, give it a little sweet finish on it. Okay, so I'm gonna let these cool down and I'm gonna come back. As you can see, one gone out tight already. So they're still hot, guys. Look how soft. All right, we're gonna put some over here. Hot, hot. Woo. You see how fat and light they are, guys? Woo. All right, my peeps, and this is it. Oh my goodness, they're super soft, super fluffy. Yeah. And these are my hot crust buns, homemade. All right, guys, super soft. I'm just gonna break one now, and then I'm gonna show you. Yes, full of flavor, really delicious. Yes, guys. All right, my peeps, can you see the goodness? Now I have one over here and it's still warm, so I'm just gonna break it and show you. You can put butter on it, you can eat it like that, you can eat it with whatever you want. So here goes, guys. Can you see that? Can you see how soft? Oh my god. Guys. Super light, super fluffy. Look at that. See the raisin in it, guys? There you have it. All right, so this is it. Look how pretty it is. May I tell you, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye, guys. You have a good day. Yeah, man.